What's up, guys? Welcome back to Breakout Trading. Today I'm going to be going over the trade I made on Sgbx. That was the only ticker I traded today. We'll start off just looking at the SPY here. So we started on this Tuesday, March 31st, 2020 with a pretty flat open. We've been kind of ranging until later today between this 260 to 258 level from Monday. The top here was last week's resistance, high of the week. Tapped that and got rejected. Fell back to this support we had from Monday at 258 area. Broke through that, back tested it, and then closed. So my thinking is that the SPY is going to start to come down now. I think we were in a bear flag for the last week or so, and it's time to see some more carnage. Okay. So this is Sgbx. So I was watching a few different tickers in the morning: ABT, AIM, OMI. All of them kind of flushed right on the open, but except for this one, had nice green volume. It was a gap up, has a small market cap, low float, perfect for scalp trading and breakout trading with for the pumps. So open up. And let's go to the 1 minute. This is what I was looking at when I first started. So first thing in the morning, I see it squeezing up. This was a pre-markets. Let's bring this up. Just wait for it to catch up and load. Okay. So this is pre-market on Sgbx. We came up and I drew up some support and resistances like this 350 area and also the high of pre-market, which was at 469. Let's move this down. Actually, we'll keep it there. Maybe I moved that for a different reason. But anyways, I remember I had a line here on the high pre-market. Broke above that with some decent volume, decided to hop in, and immediately gets halted. And my plan was to just sell right out of the halt. Hopefully it opened upwards, which would make sense because it halted going upwards with some decent volume. So that's what I did. Hopped out there for, let's see here. So this is the first trade I made right down here. So I bought 30 shares at 479 here and sold those for 579 for a nice 17% gain. Yes, that's the first one I made. So then after that, I kind of looked like the volume tapered off and it just kind of went to nothing. So I didn't really do much after that. Usually in the first couple of minutes of the day, I have the 1 minute chart on, and then I flip to the 3 minute chart. This is what I was looking at. We'll get rid of the pre-market now because once the day kind of opens, that becomes somewhat irrelevant. So we're still back here. Yeah, so we came down, hit that pre-market level, and then still not much volume. We came up and tapped this horizontal here, which was previous support, now resistance from early on the morning. Came down, no volume, no volume. And then after I ate some breakfast, I saw this here, this nice parabolic move, huge increasing volume, highest since the morning. So I decided to take a look, and it stopped right here at the 540 level, right where there was some resistance from earlier in the morning. So my plan here was to trade this 9 EMA VWAP cross. That's what I did. I waited for the cross to happen, bought the pullback, and I was actually initially hoping for a nice pop right away up to like 6 and some teens, and then I could sell before the high of day. But that didn't really happen, so I ended up selling really early. I noticed that there wasn't much volume, and it kind of looked like we might hit this and then just roll over. But what I should have seen is that the EMA line was really coming up and supporting this. this price action just floating up with it. So I sold there, was waiting, and then I saw this huge surge in volume. It was actually the biggest volume of the day. Oh, maybe that's the next candle. Oh no, that should have been it. Maybe not, wrong candle. Okay, not yet. But anyways, so yeah, we're making higher highs. I tried to scalp the breakout over this here, the break of 540. Kind of made this ascending triangle formation with the rising support and horizontal resistance. So got the scalp there. This trade was the second one of the day. I'll put on the left screen. This one was pretty much break even. Bought at 504, sold at 516, 20 shares. That just covered commissions. And then the last trade was that 540 to 570, which gave me a bit more gains. And then you can see that I ended the day up $32, paying $6 in commissions. So that was where I stopped because funny, I thought that that might have been it for Sgbx, but then this happened. So we ended up not actually profiting on this move at all, which is pretty disappointing. It was the biggest move of the day. Yeah, that VWAP cross just took it to the stratosphere. So I'm watching it tomorrow as well. I'm going to look at this 625 line to see if I can get a fill down there. That was the top at the start of the day, and then this looks pretty nice, honestly. It looks overextended, but it looks really nice. Sgbx is now up 450% today, which is absolutely insane. Yeah, I kind of just stopped after here because I didn't want to chase. The SPY was moving flat, but this thing just kept going, so yeah. Next time I will stick around longer. That is wild. That thing ran from $4 today to almost, I guess this is the high of day, 11. That is crazy. Yeah, there's not much resistance here, is there? The only resistance is the 200 EMA, which I had mapped out, which looks like, holy crap, it looks like that was the exact top, or wherever it is right now in post market after hour trading. But huge green volume on the day on this guy, huge, the biggest one it's had in its history. So this is going to definitely be something I'm watching tomorrow as well. I got the lines mapped out from earlier today. We'll see if we can buy at that 625 level. That'll be a nice buy right there. Yeah, that's my buy zone, 625. This previous high here. See if it'll come down and at least give it a tap or something tomorrow. But yeah, anyways, that's gonna do it for today. Up $32. Can't complain. I will update you tomorrow. Peace out.